How to add music to Instagram post. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. Then open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom menu. Now select post on the bottom menu. Now select the photo or record the photo. Then tap on next. Now tap on audio. Now search for the music and tap on the music. Then tap on next. Again tap on next at the bottom right corner. Now click on share and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.